Just watching my parrot, seeing what he's doing. Quite cheery with you. I know my dog's there outside at cage trying to trying to wind each other up, these two. Do you know what, they actually love each other. Watch him get out to her. He's just a wind up, that parrot, you know. He's moving crazy. I'll give it 10 minutes or so. Watch it go down and wind dog up. It's funny this, you know, people. Dog's trying to do the blanket, parrot's gone back up. They're actually friends, you know, believe it or not. They're alright together. But let it out, dog runs off anyway. Dog won't go near him when he's out. They actually love each other, these two, and it's mad. But so let's try and make a better side of it. If anything, they're just jealous of each other for attention. And that's about it. Apart from that, I'm gonna go to the gym, get my shit together, and go to the gym. It makes me feel better when I go to the gym, so I'm gonna go to the gym. Have a nice night, enjoy yourself. And have soon be Christmas, everyone. I hope everyone's doing fine. I hope people who've got the money for it, the people who've not got the money for it. All I can say is try next time and do your best next time. Have a good Christmas.